So now today we will going to conduct an experiment on Sumner test. It is a back-to-back test on the transformer. In this experiment, the objective is to find out the predetermination of efficiency of both the transformer. We are using the two identical transformer in this case. That is 1:1 transformer, 1 kVA transformer of 2 set we are using, and voltage is rating is 230 volts is there for both the transformer, and both the transformers are connected in a, as per the circuit diagram. Both the transformer, the primaries are connected in parallel, and the series of the two transformers are connected in the secondary of the two transformers are connected in series basically, and there is a wattmeter connected across the supply and as well as the primary of the first transformer to measure the iron losses of the whole set, and one more wattmeter is connected to measure the copper losses after the short circuiting test on this Sumner cases. Okay, and there are the meters are connected, various meters are connected to measure the voltage and the current at each circuit path. And interesting is that there is a one more switch is there, that is a DP/DT switch, that is the double pole single throw switch is there, and the primary is basically the primaries of the two are the connected across the both in parallel, and the secondary of the transformers are connected to one side of the switch. And before you closing the switch, you have to ensure that the voltage across the two series connection of the secondary of the transformer should be read 0. That is only 0 when if the phase of the both they are in phase each other, the secondary voltage of the two secondary of the transformers are in phase, then only this will be shows 0. Otherwise, if at any moment when the supply is closed, if it is shows the double the voltage, 230 plus 230 to 440, if it shows, then it means that the both phases of the voltages are out of phase. So you have to ensure that in that cases you have to interchange again, switch off the set and interchange this, and you have to make the voltages 0. Now let us conduct the experiment, and now I am going to switch on the mains on. So when I switch on the mains on, single phase AC, and the voltage is coming directly, rated voltage is coming directly across the two transformers, then you can see that because the switch is open, you will see it is treated as a open circuit test in this case. So during the open circuit test, there is no load current. It will the whatever the power is consumed, it is meets the only the iron losses. So now the wattmeter readings gives the total iron losses of the set. Okay, so then you have to measure all the reading of the meters are noted down. So now the wattmeter, you can see the readings in the wattmeters basically. So now I will ensure that this voltage, now the secondary phase voltages of the two transformers are is 0, that is in phase each other, then there will be a 0 voltage across this switch. So now the switch is ready for the connection to the secondary circuit basically. So now you switch on that supply after ensuring it 0. The variac maybe it is keep it in 0 minimum position. I am switching on the secondary side. So now the voltage will be applied across the secondary side of the transformers. So I am injecting the small voltage is applied, so that it will take till voltage is applied till the rated current flows through the meters. Rated current comes to 230 by that is 1 kVA by 230, it is 4.6 amps comes. So till 4.6 amps you have to show vary the voltage. So this voltage takes a less voltage basically. So it is approximately 0 to 8 volts it will take maximum. So that the small voltage you can inject the rated current. This rated current, because series secondaries are short, this in series, the same current flows through the two transformers. So this is nothing but a short circuit test. So that time you will note down the wattmeter reading. This will give the copper losses, and this is I square R losses, that is the short circuit current square times the square of the times into resistance of the winding of a two secondary side of the transformer gives the I square R losses. So this wattmeter gives the total copper losses in the set. If I want to calculate the efficiency of the individual transformer, then this wattmeter reading this wattmeter reading is, you have to divide it by 2. This is the total wattmeter set, and the iron losses in this basically divided by 2 gives the individual iron losses. Once I know the iron losses of and copper losses of the individual machine, then it is easy to calculate the efficiency of the individual machine also. And one more thing in this, apart from calculating the predetermination of efficiency of a machine, then you can also calculate the voltage regulation by having a calculation formula on that. And without loading a actual loading of a machine, you can give the, you can predetermine the efficiency of a 2 transformers here. That is the aim of the experiment.